Okay, so now we will see the elements of modern concept of marketing. So there are basically four elements. Okay, one is first is like target market, second is customer satisfaction, third is integrated marketing, and fourth is of course profitability. Every business works to earn profit. Okay, so what is what are these four elements are like? Okay, so first is your target market. The customer who are likely to use the product services constitute a target market. The product service should be designed and developed keeping in a view the needs and wants of the target market. Okay, so likewise, what we have seen before, like in previous part, like how the modern concept of marketing works. That they do study of marketing, they identify the needs of the customer, then they develop the product. Okay, so basically, this is like what is your target market for whom you are designing the product. So let us say my target market, if my target market is for example are working people, okay, like professionals, people who go to office, then if I am into a business of manufacturing the notebook, okay, this is just an example. Okay, if I am into a manufacturing, then for like working people, I will design a very like premium kind of a notebook, okay, with hard cover, like normal colors, not too much of print, which will look very professional. And for students, I will prepare like what you students are using the notebooks with quotes, with pictures, different sizes, ruled, unruled, all those sort of. So that will be like by identifying my target market, I will accordingly I will design my product. Second is customer satisfaction. Modern marketing seeks to satisfy customers through right product, right price, right place, and efficient after sales services. Okay, so see if like in marketing, I have to do a lot of market survey. Then I need to understand the customer better, and after that only I can satisfy the customer with the product. Okay, so for example, what we are seeing here is right product at the right price and the right place and efficient after sales services. Okay, so if my target audience is a non-urban uh, people, okay, like people who are not living in the city, and they're basically living in semi-urban or village type of, and I'm a, let us say, car manufacturer, then I will uh, design and build a robust as in like tough cars, like you see Thar, you see Bolero, those kind of cars in like in semi-urban village areas, which are like tough vehicles. Okay, and like I have to also provide service centers for those cars, like after selling those products, if anything happens, if I'm providing warranty guarantee such kind of things, then after sale also I have to provide them the service. So that is the uh, case with the customer satisfaction. Next is integrated marketing. Marketing activities are coordinated with the activities of other departments to achieve customer satisfaction. Okay, so marketing department in any company cannot work in isolation or cannot work independently. Okay, they need to interact with the other departments as well. For example, uh, there is a marketing department who uh, who is also having a help desk or a telecom number where a customer can call them and like share their complaints or any feedback to the company. Okay, and if that person, okay, behaves the person who is attending the call, if that person behaves rudely or anything, then the company have like human resource department, HR department. So HR needs to step in, they need to train the that person to handle the calls, all sort of things. Okay, so this is just one example. So all other departments have to uh, like coordinate with marketing department. Okay, for example, if there is need of a very good advertisement campaign, okay, and for that a marketing team requires money. So company have a department called finance, okay, who will provide money as per the requirement. Then the finance and marketing department should coordinate with each other to like finance will see that marketing will not do much of a spending on advertisement, but marketing thinks that there is a need, so like they should coordinate with each other and like come up with the best solution. Okay, so next point is profitability. The focus is on achieving the long term goals of profitability and growth through customer satisfaction. So this is my ultimate goal. I will like do the market research, I will design the product, I will sell, and I will also provide the aftermarket sales services to the customer, and once he is satisfied, of course, like he will there is kind of a thing, like mouth publicity, so he will tell to other people, and as the reputation of firms grows, automatically I'll get more customer, automatically there will be more sale, and if there is a more sale, there will be a more profitability. So like these are the main four points to consider here. That is your elements of modern marketing. Okay, target market, customer satisfaction, integrated marketing, profitability. Okay, next class we will see the characteristics of marketing.